Transitioning from military life to civilian entrepreneurship is a unique journey filled with unexpected challenges and rewarding triumphs. As a veteran stepping into the world of business, the freedom I envisioned quickly morphed into late nights and endless to-do lists. Yet it was the military's discipline and structure that guided me towards a solution, an AI-powered self-sustaining business model that restored the balance I was seeking. When I first traded my army boots for the business casual look, I naively believed the civilian sphere would be less demanding. However, I soon found myself overwhelmed, juggling roles as marketer, tech support, and even janitor. Freedom didn't translate to less work, it was simply a different kind of grind. But then, a realization struck me. The rigorous structure and procedures ingrained in me from my military days were precisely what I needed to forge a new path. Enter AI business automation. The military taught me that success comes through detailed standard operating procedures. In business, though, I needed to convert those SOPs into automated systems capable of running independently. With AI tools like ChatGPT for communications, Zapier for logistics, and Freedom Funnel for lead management, I constructed a digital team. This squad took over the monotonous tasks that once consumed my hours, running tirelessly and without complaint. As veterans, we're conditioned to evaluate tools based on their effectiveness in achieving a mission. While the wider civilian world may debate the merits of AI subjectively, our military mindset favors practical application. We embrace AI as an enabling force, not a replacement. This pragmatic approach has empowered many veterans to thrive in the entrepreneurial landscape. Equipping an AI workforce requires the same dedication as training soldiers. Effective SOPs act as the blueprint for automated operations, ensuring tasks are executed as intended. With a clear guide, AI can mimic natural communication styles, address customer needs, and systematically address operational logistics, freeing up precious time for strategic thinking and growth. The shift from being an overworked solo entrepreneur to the strategic commander of my business was stark. AI allowed me to delegate with confidence, focusing on broader goals rather than daily minutiae. It is about creating a harmonious work life balance. AI isn't just a productivity boost, it's a means to restore personal time. For veterans, this transition is particularly smooth. Our comfort with structured systems ensures we can effectively implement and trust automated processes. The civilian perception of AI as a philosophical debate misses the point entirely. For us, it's simply another tool to enhance our mission's success. Ultimately, the path to true entrepreneurial freedom is paved not just with hard work, but with smarter work. Automation through AI offers not only operational efficiency, but a chance to genuinely live without the constant burden of business management. It's a method to reclaim time and energy, a way to shift focus from survival to growth, and to manage work with a precision that leverages our learned discipline for productive freedom. As you consider building your own business, remember, AI and the values you learned in service can transform your venture into a self-running enterprise. Efficiency need not be a frantic struggle. Instead, it can be the path to living a fuller life. Embrace these tools, and you too can plant the flag on new ground, claiming both business success and personal freedom.